Okay, so you can see our gas prices here. I'm at 149.9. That's for the basic cheap gas. Got snow, and of course, today's the one day that I leave the Port Alberni, and it's got to snow. So I got to head over the mountain in the snow right now, and there's a Pacific storm warning for 15 to 20 centimeters. Well, that's the other thing I wanted to discuss. We have a $50 limit right now. Gas rationing.
Hi, can I help you?
Yeah, could I get a large black coffee?
Large black?
Yeah. Roast
Okay.
beef, a roast beef and cheddar.
Roast beef cheddar sandwich?
Yeah, and 2 chocolate glazed donuts.
Not too sure if I got those. Hold on.
Okay.
No, actually got two more. Two, we got the last two.
Okay.
Alright, we're doing that.
Okay, that's it.
Okay, anything else?
No thanks.
Okay, that's 10:23.
Okay, thank
See
you.
you at the window.
Yeah. Okay, I just arrived at the clubhouse. I bought a bottle of Grey Goose there. I don't drink. Oh God, it's sneezing. But bought a bottle of Grey Goose for a gift for another club that we're gonna go see tonight for dinner. And I'm gonna head in. Check out the snow here. Really snowing. Beautiful. Well, that's not till February, so.
Different job.
Yeah, well, I can put that one off
Make sure
till
you file
then.
your leave by as soon as you get in your job.
Yeah. Okay, so this is gonna be the worst part here. Look at it. We're gonna, this is heading up the hump here. If we get stuck anywhere, it's gonna be up here. But we should be okay. I just saw the snow plows go by. But yeah, we're heading up the mountain here. Maybe I'll drop her down into third if I have to. But, oh, is that a rig there? See, there's a truck there. Look at that, eh? This is single lane here. It looks like I'm gonna take it easy up here. It's a sharp corner here. Get around here. Take it easy. Look at pretty severe for us Islanders. Gonna hit a hard left here. Nice and slow here. Get through here. Stay off the brake. Use the gear a bit. Automatic. I'll drop it down to the third if I have to. It's pretty good. Good tires. Oh yeah, it's really snowing in Port Alberni. That's where I got gas earlier today, eh? Holy shit, man. Let's just get her home. Look at our town. There's the post office. The old post office. It's a neat. Oh, a little slippery there, eh? Take it easy. Look at that guy spinning at it. So am I. Let's take it easy. I gotta just get out to my place. But oh yeah. Oh, it's snowing, eh? It's a little slick there. It must have been. Okay. Beautiful though. Really loving it, man. But we'll get home. I made her home safe and sound. That's quite a precarious drive. Anyways, that's my video for today. I went over the hump in a snowstorm down to Down Island for dinner. Had a great steak dinner with a bunch of my brothers there from my club. And a few coffees and a couple smokes afterwards and got home. Anyways, I'm going to wrap her up. And please subscribe to my channel. Give us a thumbs up and we'll see you in the next video.